Hi guys, my name is Yasmi and you're welcome or welcome back to my kitchen taste and bloom. Today we are making this very quick light soup recipe with tilapia. We are going to be using just 5 ingredients. Yes, so please stay with me and let's do this together. So it was one of my lazy days. Okay, I had nothing in the fridge. I'm like, okay, let me do this. So I have here some cooked garden eggs. I'm going to be using my wooden grinder to mash it so that it passes through the colander, leaving the seeds in the colander and leaving the pulp in the bowl. I hope that makes sense. So I also have to mention that this recipe requires you not to blend anything at all, okay? So I had the garden eggs in my freezer. I brought it out to thaw and then I said, let me use this for this quick recipe, okay? I have my tilapia here in my pan. It was pre-seasoned and fried. I'm going in with my chopped onions. Alternatively, you can grate your onions because yes, we are not blending anything today. Next, I'm going in with tasty tom jollof mix. Yes, you heard me right. Okay. This has pepper, onions, some herbs, spices before the tomato paste itself. Okay. So I'm not going to be adding any pepper. But if you don't have it, you can do a combination of cayenne pepper or powdered pepper and tomato paste. Just so you don't have to blend pepper. Next, I'll be seasoning with half of a seasoning cube and then I'll add a bit of salt. So this is what I got from grinding my garden eggs. This is a very small pot of soup, so don't overdo it or else your garden eggs will make your soup bitter. Now next add some water. Yes, enough water to cover all your ingredients. And then cover and just allow this to simmer. So this is 5 minutes after being on high heat, okay? Look at my soup. It's looking good already. Don't worry, your onions will mash up into the soup at the end, okay? So I'll stir it gently just to make sure all the ingredients are mixed properly. And then I'll cover again and leave it to cook on low heat. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below when you're done watching, and also share when you're done watching. Now, my soup is ready after 30 minutes on fire. Of course, it's because it's a small pot of soup, okay? But it was unbelievably tasty. Give it a try and let me know how it went, okay? And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.